Our moms and dads and grandparents fought wars to make us free. But if they were alive, they'd be ashamed of what they'd see. We've turned our backs on justice. We've become a land of fools. We have chickened out, we've closed our eyes as traitors torch the rules. There are criminals with badges, wearing masks and packing guns, throwing elders onto asphalt, killing women as they run, packing innocents in prisons with no charge, no food, no hope, as our workers struggle every hour, trying just to cope. It's a crime against humanity, an insult to our souls, when our leaders sell our future, leaving us to pay the tolls. If we don't stand up today and throw the grifting crooks in jail, our entire generation will be branded as a fail. Yes, if we don't stand up today and throw the grifting crooks in jail, our entire generation will be branded as a fail.